Hi everyone, so today we'll be making a very healthy and crunchy chickpea salad. This is a very quick one to do. So to make this, I will use about half of this red bell pepper, half of the yellow bell pepper, half of the green bell pepper. I have about 5 small Persian cucumbers. You could use 1 whole big cucumber as well. We will need juice of 1 lemon, there is 1 avocado, pepper to taste, and some sesame seeds. I have a bunch of pine nuts and sunflower seeds put together, some walnuts for the extra crunch. There will be salt to taste, and last but not the least, there is boiled chickpea. I use my own boiled chickpea and I boil it with salt and some tea leaves. So to get this darker color, you could use canned chickpea as well, which is unsalted, and adjust the salt to your taste. Next, take a mixing bowl, and now I'm going to add in all the chickpea. Next, I will add in the chopped cucumber, add in the yellow capsicum, add in the red capsicum, add in the green capsicum, add in the avocado, juice of half a lemon, some olive oil, time to add in the sunflower seeds and the pine nuts, time to add in the chopped walnuts. Next, we will add in some black pepper. Add in salt to taste. Give this a good mix. The more colorful the salad, the more nutritious it is. That's a golden rule. This is mixed well, and finally I'm going to garnish with some sesame seeds. Very lightly. And your salad is ready to eat. Hope you like it.